Hello everybody, I'm Ethan, and the thing is, in this video, I will be giving a full review of the Google Nest Mini 2nd generation. So the Google Nest Mini is basically like a mini version of the Google Nest. It's just smaller and probably more compact. First, let's start off with the box itself. As soon as you open the box, you get the speaker, this little small circular pod here. This is it. This is the Google Nest Mini. There are lots of colors. There's a coral, charcoal, and other more color options that you could pick. And then underneath the speaker is the paperwork. So you have the manuals and this short description. At the very back of the box, you'll be getting the cable. The plug is a round circular white plug and it has a Google logo engraved in it in the center. It has this nice rubber finish at the back so it would grip on any surface, and the best part is it has a wall mount hole. The last Google Home Mini doesn't have this hole, so this is a really good feature added. I would say it would fit in any type of environment, any type of colors. I'm using the Google Nest Mini for the office because this is where I spend most of my time, and it's a pretty helpful device. Google has this app called Google Home. You can download it in the Play Store, and this works both iOS and Android. You will have to set it up by pairing it up and connecting to your Wi-Fi internet, and as long as that's done, it's pretty easy and really fun to play with Google. Yes, play. There are actually just 3 buttons. So right here on the left side, this is volume up. The other side makes the volume softer. You can tap the center for music. I really like the touch, the feeling of the top. It feels really well built. It has a small switch behind here. This is the mic switch, so you could mute it or unmute it. So what can you do with this Google Nest Mini? You can make reminders and events in your calendar. Hey Google, do I have any reminders today?
You have one reminder. Today at 4 p.m., shoot Google Nest Mini unboxing and full review video.
That's the video you're watching right now. Call people, call your home, broadcast something. You can make it play music, podcasts, news. Hey Google, play music.
Playing some music on Spotify.
Okay Google, stop. You can even make routines with it. You can make lists and you could ask Google most likely anything. Hey Google, what time is it?
3:28 p.m.
Hey Google, what's the tallest building in the world?
The world's tallest buildings include the Burj Khalifa at 828 meters, the Shanghai Tower at 632 meters, and 8 others.
Hey Google, what's the weather?
Right now in Santa Cruz, Laguna, it's 27 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a forecast high of 28 and a low of 22.
It can even give you directions. It's really that cool. If a question pops in your head, you can just ask Google. You have homework, you can ask Google. It can also control other smart devices like a smart TV, a smart thermostat, smart light bulbs, anything that has the word smart in front of it. So you could link accounts to Google Home. For example, you could link your Spotify account or YouTube Music account. You could link your Netflix account. So the Google Nest Mini comes at a price of $50. $50. That's a really good price for a smart speaker. I would say it's really good for the price, and then the features that you get. They're pretty good. Now, you could probably almost get all the specs from the Google Home to this Google Nest Mini. The only difference that you get is size and more control. That's it. You could even put multiple smart speakers around your house. So you could place one in your living room, one in your bedroom, one in your bathroom, and then they can all play music so that the whole house would be filled with music. So in conclusion, is the Google Nest Mini really worth $50? Yes, absolutely yes. The simplicity, the features that you get, the quality, and the price, yes. Anyways, I'll be ending the video here. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned a lot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down there. Don't forget to give this video a like. And don't forget to share this with your friends who are curious about the Google Nest Mini. So that's been it. Thank you and bye-bye. Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Why was the cheetah so bad at hide and seek? No matter where she hid, she was always spotted.
That was kinda smart.